when you are driving down the road, it needs to be on. Plugged in, on.
Because it's charging, the car's charging
Yes,
it. Okay.
it's making the battery work.
Is that on?
Yes.
The on position?
To turn it off,
Oh, you pull it out. Yeah, you turn it and pull it out.
pull it.
Oh, okay.
The only time you do this is when you're not hooked up to anything. Like
Okay.
you're bringing it here to be worked on, or you're storing it and you're not hooked up to any power.
Okay.
Because there are certain things that are on this unit that will run the battery down in a day.
Oh.
So pull it out, going down the road.
No, leave it on
Leave it
going down the road.
going down the road.
You said when I'm bringing it here.
When you're servicing.
When you're servicing, after you've
Oh,
already,
okay. After you've already arrived.
yes,
Got it. So
So
pretty much
I-
stays on all the time,
pretty much.
even in storage.
Yes. If you're leaving it plugged in, yes.
Okay.
Remember, the main thing is to check that water in that battery. Because
Okay.
your converter and your battery, they're the best of friends and the worst of enemies. Okay? So, if the one's not charged enough, the other one won't work well. The other one's not charged, the other one won't work well. If there's no water in the battery, you're going to burn up the converter eventually. Okay? So as long as you maintain them, checking the water once a month, and it's mostly getting used to checking it. Once you check it, which I know you guys will do that,
Mhm.
you can, some people even chart it. Okay, I don't have to check it every once a month, I check it every 2 months or 3. It depends, each unit's different depending on what's being ran.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, if I'm out camping, there's no power pole, there's, I don't have solar, I'm gonna use a generator. On? Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Get it.
Okay.
And I'll go, when we go inside, I'll go into more about if you use a generator.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
That's okay.
And this is the other side. Just
Okay.
showing it to you.
Alrighty.
There's no valves on this side to turn
No.
it, right? I mean, except for the tank.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna run the awning out. I'm gonna show y'all.
Oops.
And we'll put this.
Let's put this out.
I'm just gonna kind of wedge it right here, guys.
Okay.
The wind is kind of.
Carrying it off.